coming to Alma Beta, I was working with the Indigo Airlines as a cabin attendant. So I learned it through my friend about Alma Beta. And currently, I am working as a data scientist with Prudent Consultancy. One is the mentors, second is the belief in myself. So I didn't get the exact industry to get into at first, but later when I was working as a hostess, I slowly discovered about this industry, and that's how I got my interest into it. The data is the new gold, so it's the new revolution which is going on, and I want to be a part of it. So yes. The structure which was developed by the Alma Beta, the curriculum around which they started with basics, and then they talked about data sets, and then they talked about the functions. The way it was built, that was very nice, that was very organized, that gave me, I could correlate my previous learning with this, and I guess that was the biggest advantage, because I did take some time to learn the language, but that learning was very organized and very structured in a manner. So it became, over a period of time, it became easy for me to code. So the best thing which I found was that the doubts were resolved quickly. Though we have access to the curriculum throughout the day, and we can study at any time of the day, but sometimes you need to get your doubts resolved then and there, because when the doubts are not resolved, you can't move further. Certain topics are interlinked. The doubt sessions, which they have instant live sessions which goes on, and you can get your doubts clarified any time. So if we raise any ticket regarding anything, the communication regarding that or the time taken to resolve the issue was very quick or very less. So that was the best thing about it. The way the mentorship sessions widened my horizon was really nice, because I found similar pattern in my first and second interview also. So the way the questions were asked and the way my projects were questioned by the mentors over here. So when it was time in the interview for me to explain those projects to the other people, it was easy for me, because some questions were already asked, so I was already prepared, and some questions were already given to me as an assignment to talk about, and I was prepared around those questions also. They had our back, they were contacting us, they had time-to-time meetings, they were always there available to us, and in case any help was required, they were thoroughly available to help anytime. And that was the best part, that they had our back, they had the confidence in us, and we had their back. So I guess that was the best part, because they trusted us and we trusted them. So definitely, I believe Alma Beta is such a platform, and if I had to recommend someone, I would recommend Alma Beta definitely, because it was recommended by someone to me. Like, Alma Beta is helping you with your doubts, is providing you practical learning. What you are learning, you can implement also, and then you find a little confidence in your skills also. That's how my confidence in this, in changing this journey from crew to data scientist helped me, because I could see the practical implementation also of what I was learning. It's a big shift and a big decision also, and I would say it is worth it for me.